Point industrial sensor monitors humidity and air quality in real time. Emerson's new Aventex Digital Signal 1 dew point sensor provides real-time monitoring of dew point, temperature, humidity, and air quality, ensuring enhanced reliability and preventing condensate-related equipment issues. As condensate in compressed air can cause discoloration, texture inconsistency, and bacterial growth. OSIS, a new whole home air quality management solution, delivers cleaner air. The OSIS solution integrates two priorities: sustainable technology and the well-being of society. This energy-efficient heat ventilation air conditioning approach is specifically designed to empower builders in creating the high-performance homes of the future. EBM Pabst Australia and New Zealand Banking Group Limited achieves complete operational carbon neutrality. EBM Pabst Australia and New Zealand announced the achievement of operational carbon neutrality for its Australian business operations, covering appropriate Scope 1, 2, and 3 emissions for the calendar year 2023. This marks a significant milestone in the company's commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility. 41% of industrial heat ventilation air conditioning market growth to originate from Asia Pacific. The industrial heat ventilation air conditioning market in the Asia Pacific region is projected to expand substantially over the upcoming years. The food and beverage industry is a significant end user, increasing the demand for industrial heat ventilation air conditioning systems in Asia Pacific. According to World Bank data, the population in China and other Asia Pacific countries continues to rise, further fueling market expansion. Next-gen temperature monitoring data loggers redefine healthcare. Life-saving medications and vaccines must be stored within proper temperature and humidity ranges in order to maintain their effectiveness, increase patient safety, and prevent spoilage. Multifunction devices help users save money and reduce healthcare environmental temperature monitoring complexity.